These halls are filled with voices cold as snow.
One of my biggest fears is that AI is going to come in and ruin music. Not just for me, but for everyone. And honestly, I've been playing with AI for a few years now, and I've never really touched the topic of music because music is really meaningful to me. Something really magical about the art of creating music or listening to music or crafting a song. So the fact that AI could potentially come in and replace a songwriter and a song and even a producer, it really scares the life out of me. I had a go at this previously with this music AI app, and it was thankfully really crap.
In the glow of the screen, the silent screams, lost in a filter with truth-ready gleam, scrolling through moments that hauntingly gleam.
And I wasn't worried about it until today. So I just got a message from a friend of mine that said, "This is for your AI music stuff. Use Suno. It's by far the best." I don't want to use Suno. I don't want AI to come and replace music. I don't want anything to do with it. I pulled up the app Suno and I went into the browser. I signed up via Google. It was free. I went to create and I started writing a song. And what was top of mind at the moment is, unfortunately, my daughter, who's a young girl, teenager at school, is facing a little bit of bullying. And I wanted to write an acoustic song about that. It's kind of melancholy and it's sad, and the storyline about us moving from Australia to live in Boston, and it's cold this time of year and people can be cold. And anyway, it's right for an acoustic song. I'm sort of looking like I'm laughing. It's not funny at all. I'm taking this very seriously, but at the same time, I was trying to write her a song last night, an acoustic song about being bullied at school. People making fun of her Australian accent. She misses home, and I miss my friends back home. I find school in Boston really hard, and it's cold. It's a bit of a lazy prompt, really. And I just left it at that. And you could have up to 200 words. I didn't realize that. And I put in 190, and then I hit create. Bang, created a song in no time. Are you ready to hear it? There's a female version and a male version.
Hands in my pockets, head hung low. These halls are filled with voices cold as snow.
It doesn't sound fake.
They mock my words, my accent's strange.
Acoustic guitar sounds good.
Boston's rough, it's out of range.
Lyrics are pretty good.
I miss the southern skies so warm. Back home in Oz where I'd conform. Friends and laughter, sun's bright glow. Here I'm lost and feeling low.
Piano comes in. So it knows how to build a song clearly.
Outsider in
Drums. You hear the light drums, so it knows to build a song.
Like winter's face.
Oh my god. Anyway, so you get the point. Now I did a male version too. Here, I'll play that. Same thing, fast forward it a bit.
Boston's rough, it's out of range. I miss the southern sky so warm. Back home in Oz where I conform.
It's incredible. It's really incredible. Don't you, like, the vocals now sound like vocals. The guitar sounds great. The drums come in. The lyrics are really good. This is just giving me the shits, honestly. So, in true fashion, I'm going to try and defeat it. Now, I haven't practiced this, and clearly I didn't write the lyrics either. But let's give it a go. Hands in my pockets, head hung low. These halls are filled with voices cold as snow. They mock my words, my accent strange. Well, Boston's rough, it's out of range. Well, I miss the southern skies so warm. Back home in Oz where I'd conform. We don't really call it Oz. Well, friends and laughter, sun's bright glow. Well, I'm feeling lost, I'm feeling low. Bring the piano in now. I miss the... You get it. It's another depressing day to recognize that musical art is dying because an AI is coming in and can represent emotion, and songs are melodic. That started with a guitar, it grabbed a piano, it added drums, it had a thicker chorus, did everything a music producer would do. It'd do everything that an artist would do if they wrote the songs, but it did it in 30 seconds, and it's just the start of what it's about to do. And what I wonder is going to happen now is all of this music is going to get produced, get put onto Spotify. People are going to listen to it. It could be an AI that you're listening to. It could be a human that is playing it. It could be me taking that song like I just did and recording it and putting it on Spotify. Who owns the rights to that music? If I take it and I play it and the melody's pretty similar, like what it was, and then I publish it, who owns that? Is that the AI or is that me? And if the AI comes out actually and now basically creates every melody possible, you could put an IP over all of what it creates and then basically say you own everything. Happy 2025. This is so depressing.